Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the Finance Footprint and my name is Yris. Today we want to speak about your personal finance. And you see me looking down and reading my notes since it's important for me to give you the right information. So personal finances is the management of the money, covering your earning, budgeting, saving, spending, and investing and protecting your assets to meet your financial goal, and like buying your first home, buying your dream car, investing into a business or in education. Having It's about creating a plan, having a discipline in how much money is coming in, how much money is going out. A lot of people does not have emergency funds. Emergency funds is for exactly for emergency when someone lost a job, some illness in the family, and when someone passed away, we have to cover for all the funeral costs, credit cards, that, and also student loans, or just anything that we invest that require us to pay back. And not having that control your finances, that's when the problem comes. So emergency funds is really important. Emergency funds is only to be touched when something happened, something tragically happened in the family, and then we have to use saving. When we put at least 20 or 10%, 10 or 20% of our earning, weekly earning or bi-weekly earning, we put it aside in the savings account, and we do not touch that money for nothing in this world. That's why we need to create emergency funds. That is the reason that was created, so we don't have to spend out of our personal savings account when emergency happens. Also, credit cards, keeping credit cards into the minimum is really important. Will avoiding you from destroying your personal finance. When credit cards, someone has more than 2, 3, 4, 5 credit cards, and you see how much is your earning, that is completely a disaster. So having a control, having a budget, having a plan will help you to reach everything that you want, and also being stress free. So start putting your finances together, write it down, how much going in, how much coming out. And remember, we need to make sure that we retire the way we want to. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment below, and see you next time.